What's up, fam? So a lot of you guys been having issues on downloading this big, great, huge folder. It's filled with over 370 360 videos and some bonus photos. So here is a breakdown of exactly how to download these videos once you guys make the purchase on my website. Check it out, follow step by step, and you guys will be just fine. Take care. Peace, fam. All right, guys, let's go ahead and press the link right here. Once we click the link open with Google Chrome, follow me exactly. Follow this just to the T, okay, guys? Download the blue tab right here. And then this is a large file, guys. We're going to go to download anyway. You need at least 8 gigs of free space. So I'm going to hit download anyway. And on the bottom left right here, you guys can see that it's a larger file. So it might take a few minutes depending on how fast your processor is and how fast your Wi-Fi is. Okay, so we got the file right over here. This is a zip file. So I'm going to click on it and let it expand within my computer or laptop. All right, so it's right here. I'm going to click on it again. And now I get to unzip this folder here, which is the photos. And then I'm also going to unzip the marketing video folder. It's 2 folders inside of 1 file. And then as you guys can see now, I can actually go into my photos and grab any photos and post on my social media or my Google business. I can do the same exact thing with the videos. I hope this video helps, guys. Take care.